but it's okay. It's okay.
There are people, don't touch me.
I can't resist it.
Control yourself. How are you feeling?
Amazing.
Look at this full house. What a Friday. What a Friday. Big time, everybody. Good job.
It is all your merit, so thank you for making this happen.
I hope so. So, let's go and get some questions, all right? So, must God play a bigger role to increase AI adaptation? Prosecute stalkers, putting duct tape over Waymo sensors. Waymo?
Yeah, Waymo. Yes. A very, very interesting question. Yeah, it's always like that with technology, isn't it? Like until people get used to it, that they don't see it anymore, they will find ways to, break things. Should government get involved? I think things are generally working well, even in Europe, which you wouldn't expect. Like the UK, for example, just announced, I think 2 weeks ago, that they expect to have self-driving cars on the roads in 2 years. So it's happening.
I will try to read the next one. It's wordy, and I'm not a native speaker. Do you think the transhumanist movement is justified and not just nihilistic virtue as projected icon?
Was that AI generated?
Or somebody really knows how to use English, I don't know.
I am all for transcending our, weak and biological nature. So I'm all for it.
All right. Is Stephanie actually an AI?
Stephanie being you, presumably.
The future doesn't look too good.
No, it looks very sexy though, so.
So is Stephanie actually an AI?
You tell me.
What's your best way to make money with AI?
Wait, just skip one. What's the bot that takes action for you?
Yeah.
There are many available small products in this space, but I think the opportunity is to build precisely that in a vertical. And probably is asking about the computer use software. So that's Claude computer use, but there are many competing versions. Microsoft has one as well. So computer use, just check that.
All right. So your best way to make money with AI?
I'm sure there are many niches in which you can quickly get some quick gains. I think the longer term play is to build something valuable, to build a company, and to automate as much of that company as you can with the processes that we can do right now. So I would go for the longer term play rather than the instant, money mill.
All right, long term. James is asking, we will see massive deflation in prices of services and massive inflation of commodities and assets.
Isn't that the last 20 years? I think that's exactly what I've experienced. I guess it will just increase the inflation in some ways and deflation in others. I think it will just continue, yeah.
So the next question is interesting. How can you sell your product services to other people and if they know they can use AI to do it themselves?
That's a great question. What is your moat, essentially? What defends your product from other products? And it's always going to be personal brand, community, and distribution, right? So can you reach your potential user customer? Will they choose you because they like you and you're known and you're respected? And is it a community thing? Is it cool and vibey to be part of this? I think those are the moats.
The next one is a statement, the most valuable presentation of the whole conference. Thanks for that.
I automated that with a bot, by the way. This is.
What's next after LLMS?
Well, so LLMs are large language models, which means they are trained on a corpora of text, and now we're already way past that, so we're training them together, joint in text, image, video, sound, motor movements, directions to cars and stuff like that. You put all of that in the same training set, and they learn all of these things jointly, so that's already happening. I think they're called, I actually don't know, because there's too many names. So one is large vision models, LVMs, vision language models, VLMs, whatever. Yeah. So that.
My good friend, Dr. Dan. Thank you so much. Take care.